Introduction. Python is a high-level language used in various fields like web development, data analysis, AI, etc. Python online compilers allow you to write, run, and debug Python code from your browser without needing a local Python interpreter. What is a Python online compiler? An online Python compiler is a tool that interprets and executes Python code over the internet. It does not require Python or any development environment on your local machine. Python code is executed on the server, and the results are displayed on your screen. Advantages of using an online compiler: easy access. Access your Python code from any device and location with internet access. Zero setup, no installation or setup required. Shared environment. Share your code or programming environment with others. Popular Python online compilers. Replit supports multiple languages, including Python, and offers a collaborative coding environment. Python Anywhere allows you to write, run, and schedule Python programs. Google Colab supports Python and provides an interactive environment for data analysis and machine learning projects. How to use a Python online compiler. Open the online compiler in your web browser. Write or paste your Python code into the provided text editor. Click the Run button to execute your code. The output will be displayed on the screen. Tips and tricks. Always save your work. Most online compilers will not automatically save your code. Use comments. Document your code to help you and others understand it better. Common errors and how to avoid them. Syntax errors. These are mistakes in the code that prevent it from running correctly. Name errors occur when a variable or function that hasn't been defined is used. Type errors occur when an operation is performed on a data type that does not support it. Conclusion. Python online compilers are convenient tools for writing and executing Python code from anywhere with internet access. They are great for learning Python, working on collaborative projects, and quickly running Python code without needing to set up a local development environment.